going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Denali in the shop again, and what I'm going to be doing is installing some new fog light housings and LED fog light bulbs. I run LEDs in all my vehicles just because they're so much brighter and you get that nice crisp white. If you look at the fog lights on this one, that one's not in too bad a shape, but that one's all fogged up and it doesn't even have bulbs in it. So here's what I got. These are from Windjet. You can get these off Amazon. They were like $24, and they even come with bulbs installed already. Now we're not going to run these bulbs. We're going to run these bulbs. Oh yeah. So these new LED bulbs are 5200 lumen, which is really bright, and they're 10K, which is a nice bright white. So we're going to get these installed after we put the new housings in. I'm going to get the truck up in the air. Just for video purposes. If you needed to, you could do this all on the ground, but I'm gonna get it up in the air so that I can film better for you guys. Before we get under the truck, I'll show you what we have to do here. There's 3 little pins right here that have tabs on them that you have to depress, and then these will push forward and the lights will come out of the front of the bumper this way. So you can see here are the 3 little tabs we have to mess with, and this part is no fun, but I'm gonna go ahead and mess with it and try to get these popped out. I just have to do the same thing on the other side. The next step is going to be to get these bulbs out, which I use a little pocket screwdriver and some patience, and you can get these bulbs to pop out. They are a real pain, unfortunately. Like so. Once our old bulbs are out, I grab our LEDs, which are super fancy, and these will just snap right in, and then these will plug into the original harness. These come with a little protective film on them, which is nice. You just peel that off, and then these should just snap into the new truck. Now I won't be able to adjust these because it's not dark, but once it gets dark out, I'll take this outside and show you how to adjust them. For adjustment, there's a little screw in one of these clips. And what that's going to do is tilt the light up and down, and that's going to be your adjustment. And that is going to complete the installation, at least for this part. Once it gets dark, like I said, I'll move it outside and show you how to adjust them. This will be your adjustment screw on the bottom on each side, and we'll get them leveled up, and that'll be it. Just real quick, while I have it in the shop, you can see the difference between incandescent and LED. Pretty big difference. They look real good. I'm happy with them. So once it gets dark, we'll get this thing outside and we'll adjust them. All right, so here we go. It is dusk out, and we have the fog lights turned on, which you can see are nice and really bright. What you can also see is the passenger side needs to come up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is crawl under the truck and try to raise that up a hair. So now you can see we have a pretty even line of light, typical LED fashion, and really bright at the same time. Now I know you guys probably can't see me, but that's going to do it for this video. As always, be sure that you follow me on Instagram. I try to post up there daily, and I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.